Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today, we are going to be packing for our Canada road trip. It is like 10:43 in the morning today on Monday, July 29th, and it is raining. And it's going to be raining until Tuesday, July 30th, possibly until 2 o'clock or later in the day. It may even rain continuously another day, but it just depends. I've looked up the weather, that's what they said. So, yeah. I have not finalized any outfits yet. That may not be a final selection because that's my first day outfit and it's just hanging there. So I have to put it on as soon as possible and leave. But that's not just what I could do because I do have to get that backpack prepped. So yeah. I have swimsuits in here. That's definitely what I'm gonna need, but um I have a new shirt, a new polo. Did I put it in this basket? In this crate? But yeah, I'm looking for this one. Perfect. And then I'm looking for my new pants. Perfect. I'm also looking for another polo in here. I guess this is it. No, it's not. This one is it. I may even take some shorts because I have multiple shorts in here. It's not it. I'm talking about where is it? If I could find it. Talking about my Under Armour shorts. So I want to wear my Lululemon Pacebreaker shorts for the first ever time. Like, I've gotten those Lululemon shorts and I never wore them. It's only gonna be my rare short because I don't wear it. First of all, I do not wear it as much as I used to. I mean, I don't wear shorts as much as I used to. But anyways, that concludes it in this introduction. Thank you so much for watching this video. And soon we will be having some Canada content coming out, including elevators. Bye.